Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So today we are going to be talking about Christmas in August, which is this coupon over at the Dollar General. It's $5 off a $20 basket of Gain merchandise. So that right there is deals and steals and really inexpensive Gain. Pairing it with this Saturday's 5 off of 25 or the 3 off 15 if you might have it. It's going to be some steals and deals any which way that you look at it. So we're going to look at a couple different deals. And even if you're a Walgreens diehard shopper, it is the week to head over to the Dollar General and at least try out one of these deals because they are quite spectacular. Now, a couple ground rules if you're doing this before Saturday. You got to get $20 of merch. Use your Dollar General app to scan in the store to see what is attaching with the 5 off of 20. That is paramount and key. The biggest savings will obviously be on Saturday, pairing it with the 5 off of 25, and you need $25 of merch, at least $20 of Gain merchandise, and then $5 of other merchandise to get the two to work in concert. Use that Dollar General app, pay attention, make a list, check it twice. These are Michigan prices also, so if you're in a different part of the US, it might be more, it might be less, so you really got to pay attention to the numbers in your bottom line. Any issues you might have at checkout where it's like, exploding in a pile of smoke, just void the transaction, be super nice. And on Saturday specifically on my Instagram account, I will be posting what is and is not working, and I will be doing a couple of these deals. So if you want to go give me a follow over there, I will be letting you guys know like right from the horse's mouth. I know that a lot of you, especially like people that might be Walgreens shoppers who are like looking at this video and saying, should I not? Please check out this video at the very end. It's basically how to use the app and specifically how to check prices in store with the app. This is a very powerful tool and it's fantastic. So definitely watch this tutorial if you're not sure. And while I still have your attention, if you could please subscribe, hit the notification bell and like this video, really helps me out with the good old YouTube algorithm. So guys, yesterday I went into store and then this morning I went through my stockpile room and used the Dollar General app and was scanning up a storm. With this booster, specifically the Mr. Clean, Febreze, and Swiffer, which are always cornerstones of our basket, are not attaching with this 5 off of 20. And I thought, oh, well, maybe it's just laundry and maybe I have it wrong. But I read the fine print of this booster and basically it's $5 off any Gain scented purchase $20 or more. So that should be included, and also Mr. Clean and Febreze is in the photo. I hate to be one of those photo people, but yeah, it's there. So my thoughts is the programmer of this coupon didn't program everything. So maybe later in the week or even by Saturday, perhaps those other coupons might be available for us. And if they in fact are, I will make subsequent videos because I really think this is going to be the hottest deal of the week or one of them. I'm really excited by this as well. But I'm scanning every day, and if anything should change, I will let you guys know. Even read the pinned comments to the top of this video. The more information I have, I might even make a subsequent video if it starts working in concert with the Febreze or Swiffer or Mr. Clean. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about, and this is taking place all week long, if you want to go and do it sooner than later. So there's this little price board of items that are $3.95. We have a $2 digital for the detergent or the flings, and then one for a fabric softener product. And it's whatever you want. Whatever I'm suggesting, you don't have to get the exact same. You just have to make sure that the 5 off of 20 and the digital coupon are fixing. So the stuff I'm just showing you is for example. So if you want to get dryer sheets and then liquid detergent, that's totally cool. Just make sure everything attached. So this is a newer product, which is a concentrated liquid detergent by Gain for $3.95. And I've had my eye on this for a while. I'm like, I wonder what that's all about. But we have a deal today that can actually, you can get it for really inexpensive. So this guy is exactly $3.95 on the nose. As you can see, we have a $2 digital plus that 5 off of 20 is in fact attaching. We're also going to grab a fabric softener product for $3.95 and then boom, guess what's attaching? If you wanted to get dryer sheets or the fireworks, that's also your option. Now to round this basket off to $20, let's grab one of these big mamas. They're 51 count of the Gain flings for $13.50. So looking at it this way, grabbing one of the fabric softeners products for $3.95, one of the Gain essential oils for $3.95, One of the Gain Flings, the 51 count for $13.50. That's a total right there of $21.40. Immediately after the cashier scans your last item, you punch in your phone number at the speed of light. 5 off of 20, along with the $4 of digital coupons that I showed you in the last slides, will also be coming off. You're left with paying $12.40 out of pocket for the 3 items. A little bit expensive, but it's cheaper than full price, that is for sure. Okay guys, so the next deal that we're going to look at, we're going to use one of these $3 coupons from the July P&G, an augmented version of the last deal, so it's going to be a little less. Special shout out to City Coupon Moms, because she was talking about this yesterday, but we were working on the same deal, because when I was in the store, I was trying to figure it out too. So for this deal, let's look at it a different way. We're grabbing one of the Gain fabric products, a Gain Essential Oil, $3.95 a pop, and then one of those big mamas, the Gain Flings for $13.50. So your total right there is $21.40. You're subtracting that one $3 paper coupon from the July P&G. Immediately after your coupon is scanned, you punch in your phone number at the speed of light. 5 off of 20 is coming off, along with $4 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $9.40 for the 3 items, which isn't bad. Now, City Coupon Moms actually did this entire deal like I have it stated, but she also had a 3 off of 15, which you can use between now right up till the weekend. It's like all week long. It's not like a 5 off of 25 for Saturday only. She got her basket down to $6.40 for the 3 items, which is quite amazing. So I'm going to leave her Instagram in the notes if you want to check her out. She's just a fabulous shopper and just like a Dollar General master. Now let's look at a Saturday only deal using the 5 off of 25 with the 5 off of 20. So you're going to need your cornerstone, which is this guy, which is the 5 off of 25, plus your 5 off of 20 Gain coupon. Get your basket right to 25 plus, 25 or more to use the 5 off of 25. We're going to grab 2 of these Roto eye drops, and they're ringing up $4 a piece. So for 2 of them, that'll be $8. Special shout out to Dollar General Savings with Sounders. She posted this on her Instagram last weekend, and it's just a brilliant deal. So as you can see, they're $4 a pop. And then we have this wonderful 7 off of 2 digital. Load that one. There's also a $3 one, but load the 7 off of 2 only, because you want that high value one to come off, not the $3 one and then the other one not to. You understand what I'm saying? So load specifically this one. So looking at the math again, guys, we're grabbing one of the Gain fabric softener products, one Gain essential oil, $3.95 a pop, one of the Gain Flings 51 count for $13.50, 2 Roto eye drops for $8. They're $4 a pop. So the total for all of this wonderful merchandise is $29.40. After the last Roto is scanned, you punch in your phone number at the speed of light. 5 off of $20 General Gain, 5 off of 25 Saturday coupons coming off, along with $11 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $8.40 for the 5 items, essentially shaking it out to $1.68 per product. How wonderful is this? Okay guys, let's look at a different deal with paper coupons for Saturday only. You're going to need your cornerstones, which is your 5 off of 25, and the 5 off of 20. Have both of those loaded. We're going to need one of these guys from the July P&G, and it's $2 off. There's a massive list of items that are included, so grab whatever you wish, along with one of these $3. And these 2 were in a double stack in the July P&G, and as you can see, they're expiring on that Saturday, so it's definitely a use it or lose it situation. Okay guys, so looking at this again, we're going to grab one Gain fabric softener for $3.95, 2 of those Gain essential oils, I'm just curious, $3.95 a pop, so that would be $7.90 for the 2. And then you're grabbing one of the Gain Flings 51 count for $13.50, the massive container. The total for all of this, guys, is $25.35. At this point, you're handing over the $2 and the $3 paper coupons from your July P&G for the Gain merch. Immediately after the cashier scans your last paper coupon, you punch in your phone number so quickly that, like, you know, flames will be coming off of that keypad. The 5 off of 20 Dollar General Gain coupon is coming off, along with the 5 off of 25 and $4 of digitals that I showed you in the slides way previous. The $2 for the fabric and the $2 for the essential oil. You are left with paying $6.35 out of pocket for the 4 items, making it $1.58 each. this right here is extreme couponing, and this right here is a deal that I will be out there on Saturday doing. So if you want to go and give me a follow over on Instagram, I will be posting all of my findings, along with these two fabulous ladies that I've mentioned. They are big Instagrammers. If you want to go and give them a follow, I will leave all of their information in the notes. Go and follow them. They're both exceptionally nice too. Anytime I've written to either of them in the comments or whatever, they always get back to me, supportive and all about the Dollar General, which I love to see. Just really nice ladies. So all of that Instagram info will be in the notes. Really great ladies. Go and follow. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.